Here we are asked to make x the subject. The opposite of divide by x minus 9 is to multiply both sides of our equation by x minus 9. Therefore, on the left-hand side, I'm going to have y multiplied by, in single brackets, x minus 9. And on the right-hand side, I know that multiplying and dividing by x minus 9 are the inverse. Therefore, I'm just going to be left with the numerator, which is 5, and in brackets 1 minus x. I now have a single bracket on each side of my equation. Multiply out my single bracket. Whatever's directly outside, I multiply by each term directly inside. Y times x is simply xy, and y times negative 9 gives us negative 9y. On the right-hand side, again, we've got a single bracket. We multiply whatever's directly outside the single bracket by each term directly inside. 5 times 1 gives us 5, and 5 times negative x gives us negative 5x. As I want to get x the subject, I currently have x on both sides. Therefore, I have to get the x terms to be on one side. As I've got positive xy on the left and negative 5x on the right, I'm going to want x to be positive. So I'm going to bring the negative 5x across to the left by doing the inverse, and that's to add 5x to both sides. At the same time, I can move any of the term that does not have the letter x in it to the other side. Therefore, I can move the negative 9y to the right by doing the inverse, which is to add 9y to both sides. Collecting like terms, on the left-hand side, I have xy plus the 5x that's crossed. I know that negative 9y, add 9 will cancel. And on the right-hand side, I've got 5 plus 9y. As negative 5x, add 5x will cancel. As I want to get x the subject, I currently have xy and plus 5x. I can't add those terms because they're not like terms, because like terms must have the same combination of letters. But I can factorise out single x. Therefore, opening my single bracket, what do I times x to get back to xy? I'm missing y. What do I times x to get back to 5x? I'm missing plus 5. And the right-hand side, I've still got 5 plus 9y. My aim was to get x by itself. I currently have x multiplied by, in single brackets, y plus 5. The opposite of multiplied by y plus 5 is to divide both sides of my equation by y plus 5. Therefore, on the left-hand side, y plus 5 over y plus 5 will cancel to leave us single x, which is what I wanted. Therefore, single x is equal to 5 plus 9y all over y plus 5. And that gets me 4 marks.